Hi guys, I'm going to do a Minecraft single player survival, and yeah, I see it as a single player. I've got two mods. I've got the Optifine and too many items. That's all I've got. But I'm not going to use them. Well, I'm going to use too many items, but I'm going to use Optifine, of course. So it doesn't lag. Okay, I'm spawning a nice world. Oh. Like in any other survival, I'm just going to cut down trees. Yeah. But yeah, if anyone knows how to stop lag on servers while recording, could you put it in the comments section? Because I'm trying to do like multiplayer survivals, but it keeps on lagging. So I posted one video, but I ain't gonna continue that because it lags too much. So I decided to make a single player one. So yeah, I'm sorry about the other one. I ain't gonna continue it. But I might. The problem is, I haven't got the world anymore due to an accident, so, you know. But I might just get rid of it completely and start a completely new multiplayer survival. But I only do that when it stops lagging that much. Let's just cut down one more tree. Should have enough. I'm thinking about getting like texture packs, but I don't know. If you know a good one, a 16-bit, no, 16 times 16 good one, just put it in the comments section around. Try again. See how it's work. Yeah, as you can see, I've got some levels here. Well, I ain't gonna use that as I said. So there's some. Doing it on my other one. First try. I don't think I've got any other achievements. Well, I've got some. I've got the inventory, getting wood, crafting table. Actually, I haven't got a lot. Yeah, I've got a cow tipper. It's because I'm playing on a fresh new account. I used to play on a cracked account, but now I don't. Well, actually, I think I'm still playing on my cracked account. I'll sort it out for you. So you can see what a cool skin. Yeah, that's so cool. Yeah. Let's just start building the house. Don't really want it that big, you know. But I'm going to extend, of course. 3. Ain't really counting this because it can't be ours. I'm just gonna build it how I usually do. the aim of this what it's called, survival let's play, is like to get a whole world of cool stuff, like, you know, like any normal person would, you know. Let's get into my house. This is the door. One door. Gonna make an axe. So that can cut down some more trees. Alright, just gonna cut down this one. Exit here quick. I prefer playing it like this in window mode, not full screen mode. I don't know why. I'll just check how long I'm recording. Okay, 6 minutes. That's it. I'll just leave it there. Well, actually, if I press F11, it's still. That's good. Let's play this. Why is it lagging? But before I started recording this, I was making a multiplayer. I was recording a multiplayer, and my friends annoyed me, so I just rage quit. You know how it is. You have to rage quit sometimes. I'm just gonna make a quick mine here. Don't really want it too close to the house, because I'm going to cover it later, of course, just so I can get some cobblestone started. Could you tell me how to check how long I can make my videos too on YouTube? Because I really want to know, you know, so I can make as long as I can videos, so that it doesn't appear that I can make like 30 minutes videos, but I'm making like 10 minutes videos, so you know. So please help me out with that. What else? I'm going to end it here, so please rate, comment, subscribe, and help me with all of the stuff that I asked you. I'll see you.